I welcome you all for this very unique function where for the first time in Goa, we are releasing a special slogan cancellation for all incoming articles. We all know that we are going through a very difficult COVID situation. This pandemic is spreading out and it is highly unpredictable how many people will be infected, how many will be affected, and what will be the consequences for it. Right now, the festival season has come up. The festival season is a time of great hope, joy and prosperity for all.
After joining us, from joining, we definitely see that there is an increase in philately activities in the Goa division and Goa region from after coming up, sir, only. But this is after coming COVID pandemic, definitely, sir, has one or the other slogan commencing after a regular interval. This is awareness created by department through our postal articles. Every department is doing that, just like mobile companies are doing their slogan. They are repeating the same slogan, which they definitely not create that much awareness in mind. But our slogans are different.
Department of Post had actually started long back on 24th of December 1974. In fact, they had actually started off making the San Francis Xavier Church star. The first FDC was done on that day. So Department of Post has been doing a human service, especially for the state of Goa, in various forms. That was the first FDC which was done, and they had actually conducted various philatelic exhibitions in collaboration with the Goa Philatelic and Numismatic Societies. And for the last 5 months, as Badraju sir has correctly said, there was actually a jump. In fact, if you look at actually the last 5 months, it has been not done, but has been not done for the last several years. We had 2 series of actually the birds. Then we had actually a series actually on philatelic passports, which looked at actually the various festivals in Goa, which was very well covered, starting from Carnival to the various local festivals. Then we had also Maxim cards, maybe for the first time on the St. Francis Xavier. We had also 2 permanent pictorial cancellations.